Imagine a world where your car doesn't just get you from point A to point B, but does so with the style of a runway model and the efficiency of a wind turbine. Welcome to the reality of the 2024 Hyundai Ioniq 6, a vehicle that doesn't just promise the future. It delivers it, wrapped in a sleek, electrifying package. The 2024 Hyundai Ioniq 6 is not just another electric car. It's an electrifying revolution on wheels. Available in multiple trims, each with its own blend of power and endurance, this model is a game-changer. Let's dive into what makes a few of the trims unique. First up is the SE Standard Range AWD. Think of it as the gateway into the electric elite, offering a 240-mile range with a price tag that keeps your wallet intact at $37,500. Its 53 kilowatt-hours lithium-ion battery may sound modest, but with a punchy 149 horsepower and a top speed of 115 miles per hour, it's anything but basic. Perfect for city slickers and suburban commuters alike, this trim proves that entering the electric arena doesn't require a compromise on performance or style. Next, we scale up to the SE Long Range AWD, a beast in its own right with a 361-mile range. Powered by a beefier 77.4 kilowatt-hours battery, it slashes the 0 to 60 miles per hour time down to just 6.2 seconds. Priced at $42,450, it's for those who crave more miles, more power, and still demand value. With 225 horsepower, it's quick, nimble, and a testament to what modern engineering can achieve without breaking the bank. For those who laugh in the face of boundaries, the SE Long Range AWD is your chariot. It's not just fast. It's ferocious, clocking 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 4.3 seconds thanks to its 320 horsepower. Its dual-motor setup delivers all-wheel drive prowess, ensuring that your 316-mile journey is smooth, regardless of the terrain. At $45,950, it offers a blend of power and traction that's hard to beat, all while keeping you secure with top-tier safety features. Then there's the crown jewel, the Limited Long Range AWD. This trim is for the connoisseurs of comfort and speed, offering the same exhilarating 4.6-second sprint to 60 miles per hour with all the trappings of luxury one expects for $53,650. With 20-inch wheels and an identical horsepower to the SE Long Range AWD, it stands out for those who demand the best in class, not just in speed but in every detail. Every Ioniq 6 is equipped with a 12.3-inch digital instrument panel and infotainment display, enveloping you in a cocoon of high-tech comfort. The 350 kilowatts DC fast charging capability means you're never far from a quick boost, ready to hit the road with minimal downtime. Hyundai didn't just focus on making a faster car, they crafted a safer one. Features like blind spot collision warning and rear cross-traffic collision avoidance assist work tirelessly to protect you and your passengers. This commitment extends to their warranties, 5 years, 60,000 miles basic and an impressive 10 years, 100,000 miles for the battery. But it's not all numbers and features. The Ioniq 6 is a statement. Its sleek silhouette and futuristic design elements make it more than just a car, it's a centerpiece. A conversation starter. A head-turner. And what about the space? With 11.2 cubic feet of cargo volume and an additional 0.5 cubic feet in the front trunk, packing for a weekend getaway is easier than ever. Despite its sporty profile, the Ioniq 6 doesn't skimp on practicality. So, if you're looking for a vehicle that matches your drive for innovation and sustainability, look no further. The 2024 Hyundai Ioniq 6 isn't just a step towards the future. It's a giant leap for automotive kind. Who said electric cars couldn't stir the soul?